Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
And the winner is... Well, I guess they don't say that on Oscars night anymore. Now it's like, ouch, dude. Anyway, so today we're going to talk about holding a giveaway. This can be as simple as asking your listeners or your followers to comment to enter. And the idea here behind is that such a way of doing that is that you generate some interactions, right? Because you don't want to make your plain vanilla posts all the time. So one way by increasing the interaction with your listeners is by doing some swept stakes as giveaways, right? So if you're doing this as a company, then you better check the laws on your country before you do it. But it's much easier if you do as a personal, right? So sweepstake is where the winners are chosen by the luck of the draw. There might be some requirements to run such draws, right? Prize can be almost anything you can think of, from handmade goods on to all expensive paid trips.
He needs some milk.
But people need some milk, right? So try to be giving prize that people actually use, right? That's the point. You can also run contests that choose a winner based on some merit. For example, the winner is chosen by some criteria that is stipulated, such as best comment, funniest story, or tip, etc. So the most complicated form of a giveaway is a lottery one, because people must pay money to buy a chance to win. And when you are holding lotteries, are highly regulated, and you should not be run without consulting a legal counsel. And what else? Anyway, the important point here is to hold a giveaway to interact and reward your listeners, right? More on that later, by the way. But the action, pretty simple. Just work on creating a giveaway. Think about the rules, the goals you wanted to achieve. By doing so, also the prize and the promotional timeline, the call to action, the ROI, the rules, etc. I'm sure, like I said before, you can think about the prize. Can be anything you want to give it away, right? So it can be a handmade good, but also can be something that you're replacing.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
So you give it away the Porsche, right? So that's the idea. So that's it for today, and see you soon again soon. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.